Hello my dear fans, I'm Anna Vanila and this is what I'm working at. It's actually a big, kind of big toy bunny rabbit with a, as you can see, with a bow here, and this is the eye and the head with 2 ears, like so. So this would be the center of my jumper, and I thought I'm going to do a small amount of video for you all to enjoy what I'm working on. And this is a Playboy bunny, and I always loved this logo, this pattern, and I decided that I want to do a jumper, a sweater, something like that. So here will be the neckline and the cuffs here, and here will be in blue, so it will be contrasting. And I thought I'm going to knit a little bit in front of you, maybe to give you some sort of idea of what I do. This is the back of my project. This is the back of my Playboy bunny. This is the hook number 5, and I absolutely love knitting with this hook, and I thought I'm going to knit a little bit for you to see how I do this. I mean, not knitting but crocheting, because it's a hook. So I crochet for you a little bit here and talk to you a little bit about my coming videos on my channel. I found a lot of clothes I didn't know before. I didn't know I have, and I bought them a couple of years ago, and I thought I'm going to do soon a try and haul video for you all to enjoy. So I am really keen to do a couple of new projects, new videos for you on my Anna Vanila channel. I'm also working on my DJing. At the moment I'm recording to place it in Soundcloud and for you all to listen to my transitions, my music. And this is one of my projects. As you know, I like to crochet, I like to knit, and this is my last project I wanted to share with you. And next project I would like to do is a couple of videos with my new outfits, which I found a couple of years that I bought a couple of years ago, and I will be sharing it with you. And as you know, I like to knit and crochet. This is one of my favorite hobbies. I also like doing clothes for myself, even though I'd like to sell some of my knitted hats for those that prefer to buy it from me. It will be a pleasure for me to offer you some hats for sale, and maybe you're going to like it because it's got different different pattern, different stitch, different sizes, hopefully. And because the season of hats is coming now, is getting cooler these days. It's already autumn, so I'm preparing for the fall. And yeah, I would like to share with you some more projects, some more plans that I am thinking of doing. Yeah, this is acrylic yarn. As you can see, I'm using acrylic yarn. And I do just single crochets all the time in this sweater. And I was thinking about doing some videos with myself on the beach, and I would like to be in swimwear somewhere on the beach here, not far away from my home. Hopefully it will not be too cold for me to wear some swimwear. So swimming costume, and film myself for you to see it. And hopefully this kind of video would embrace your hearts in some way, and you're going to love it, hopefully. Yeah, this video is just a curiosity video for you to see and hear me talking, for you to see what I do and to hear me talking about my projects and my channel update. So I am quite happy at this moment. I'm thinking about many things at the moment because I have my cycle knitting and crochet channel. I put a lot of videos in there if you want to watch me do some other stuff like crafts, like knitting and crocheting. You're welcome to see my channel, Anna Vanila Arts, and you can simply see my my hands if you love my hands, and you can see me crocheting and knitting things. In case you feel like you're missing me because I didn't update videos for my main channel, Anna Vanila, but I assure you I will do some videos soon for my main channel too. This is just an update on how I am doing. Yeah, my cat is chewing on the box, isn't it, Kitty? I'm talking to my cat now. She's funny. She likes boxes. It's a mystery why she likes boxes, but she likes to chew on them as well. It's like she gets like a massage to her teeth. Yeah, so I'll be selling some hats soon. on Etsy, and hopefully somebody will buy it from me because I've made it. So hopefully you'll find this a bit more treasuring for you to grab a piece of something that I've made, something special that I've made. Yeah, I'll be doing more pictures soon. Pictures of my hats and without my hats. And I'll do videos and photographs with this jumper with Playboy bunny, and you're going to see it. Hopefully you're going to like it. Yeah, I've done quite a few wall hangings with bunny, with Playboy bunny, and it looks just fantastic on my wall. I absolutely enjoy it. Enjoy the art that I've made to decorate my home. My yarn is finishing here. So thank you very much for listening to my update and for watching how I actually knit this jumper, my latest jumper, my latest project. And see you soon in my next videos. Please keep watching, stay tuned. A lot more to come soon on my both channels, my main channel and my arts channel too. So please put likes, subscribe, and see you soon in my next videos. So enjoy it, and I send you much love. I hope you like this video. I hope you find it very relaxing with what I do. So see you soon. Bye.